Are you struggling to get product descriptions that actually work and get you clicks? Well, today we're going to go work through ChatGPT to show you just how easy it is to create high converting product descriptions that will definitely work. So now, let's say we are selling handbags. We've got just a simple prompt here. Write a detailed, engaging product description for a woman's leather handbag, focusing on premium materials, stylish design, and practicality. Obviously, you will have your own specifications here. This is just an example, but obviously you'd want to add in any of the main points for said handbag or whatever product you are working with. And here we go. It's opened up Canvas. Introducing the perfect blend of elegance and functionality. So now that's quite a long description. So a simple edit would be, can you please break this up with some bullet points? You don't want people to have to read through all that. You want them to be able to scan. There we go. Whether they read all this or not isn't important, but they will scan this section. And if something piques their interest, then they'll read through. So that was nice and easy. So now you might have a particular audience that you want to target. Being handbags, high top quality handbags that I'm selling. A little prompt like target luxury buyers with an emphasis on elegance and craftsmanship. So this will go through Canvas and it should just re-edit that content to make it a little bit better for people that are more after luxury items. I've tailored a description to appeal to luxury buyers, focusing on elegance and craftsmanship. Perfect. Okay, now depending where you are advertising this product, you might want a shorter version. So I mean, this would probably be perfectly fine on a standalone website page, but a lot of the time, you might want a shorter, clearer description. Simply now write a shorter 50-word version highlighting the handbag's key features. So if you're doing something like social media, let's use bullet points. Are we going to wait a minute, are we? Try that again. Let's use bullet points. So perfect. Introducing our women's premium leather handbag, crafted from the finest full-grain leather with luxurious patina. I don't know what that is. So there you go. Now that could be far better for social media and things like that. Again, you could add a little something here as well, whatever you like. Or you can obviously ask chat to do that. Oh, what have I just done? Can you please add a brief description under the title? I swear I just went back past whatever. So as you can see, I've totally stuffed that up there, but can I edit? So one thing with GPT Canvas is we can ask chat. So I'm just going to try this. Can you make this point a bullet point? Let's see if it will just go through and... Perfect. Okay. Fantastic. So now the next thing we want to look at. Obviously this you won't be worrying about for SEO. So let's change it back to our long version. Now can you change this back to our original long form content? Let's get that doing its thing. Beautiful. Use some bullet points. We still want it to look pretty. And then if this is on an actual website, we do want it to obviously rank for particular keywords. So include keywords like best leather handbag for women and luxury purse in the product descriptions. So we'll add this in and let's see what it does. luxury purse throughout the product description to enhance SEO. Fantastic. Okay, now what you can do, if this doesn't quite suit your tone, so we went for a tone for luxury, people wanting luxury products. Wherever we did that, target luxury buyers with an emphasis on elegance and craftsmanship. If you aren't quite enjoying how that is reading, you can go through and adjust reading levels, adjust the length, suggest edits, and then what we actually want to do here though is, can you please change the tone of voice to suit what age, when a girl's starting to buy handbags? 18-year-old female. I guess 18, they might be starting to worry about this type of thing. Say hello to your new favorite accessory, a woman's premium leather handbag made for anyone who loves a mix of style and practicality. Want to stay trendy while keeping it classy. Perfect. So you can see there we've changed the tone of voice quite a bit. Makes it more suitable for the younger audience. Now we've got ourselves a great product description that is going to suit your particular audience. Nice and easy. It's taken less than 10 minutes. Of course, you could have here, you can add in any other product things like this handbag is 50 centimeters long and has red and blue stripes. So now we have got this sorted, beautiful, 50 centimeters, red and blue stripes. Mention it somewhere else here, red and blue stripes. So it has gone through and edited the content. And there you have it. Hopefully this is showing you how quick and easy it is to create product descriptions that will definitely appeal to your audience and hopefully start creating some extra conversions for your sales. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.